For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. That's from Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. This is honestly one of the most beloved verses in all of Scripture, and for good reason. It just speaks directly to the heart of anyone who's ever felt lost, discouraged, or uncertain about what lies ahead. In a world that's, just full of unknowns, this verse reminds us that we're not walking through life aimlessly. God has a plan. At the time God spoke these words through the prophet Jeremiah, the people of Israel were in exile. They had been uprooted, displaced, and were living in a foreign land. Everything around them probably felt like chaos. Yet right in the middle of that hardship, God sent them a message of hope. I know the plans I have for you. Notice that God doesn't say, I'm figuring it out as I go, or maybe things will work out. No, he says, I know the plans. That means his plans are deliberate, thoughtful, and full of purpose. Even when you just don't understand what's happening, even when doors close or dreams are delayed, you can rest knowing God is still writing your story. And here's the promise. His plans are not to harm you. They are plans to prosper you, to give you hope, and to bless you with a future. That doesn't mean life will always be easy, but it does mean that God's intentions toward you are always good. He's not trying to punish you, he's preparing you. He's not trying to break you, he's building something better in you. So when life feels uncertain, cling to Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. Speak it over your day. Hold it close in your heart. Let it remind you that God is not finished with you. Your current situation is not your final destination. God's plans are unfolding, even in the waiting, even in the pain. And because he's the author, your story is in good hands. You may not know what tomorrow holds, but you can trust the one who holds tomorrow. His plans are full of hope, and your future is secure in him. If this message encouraged you, please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content.